And now for something rather interesting. A K27 Mudhen, made by Accucraft trains of the United States of America. Let's have a look at the radio control installation. We can get at the components by first removing the coal hole and then the coal load. Inside we can see a 3300 mAh nickel metal hydride battery. This should make the locomotive run for at least 2 hours. On the right is the Electron 12 speed controller with the little receiver on top, and on the left the sound card, which in this case is a MyLoco Sound Coast Scene sound card set up with an American whistle. On the back of the tender is the water hole, and inside there is the on-off switch and charging socket. So let's turn her on. Right away you can hear the steam blower. This huge locomotive is controlled by a TX21 handset. By pressing the center button, we blow the American whistle, and by turning the regulator, away she'll go. As it slows down, the steam volume decreases. If we now accelerate away, the volume increases. By turning the inertia, say halfway, and then turning the throttle up, the locomotive all on its own moves away. And oppositely, if we now shut the regulator, she coasts to a halt. If we now remove the coal load, inside we can get in access to the sound card, and we can change the position of two little jumpers. When it's pushed on the front two pins, we now have a bell when we turn on. There's the first ding. Now when we pull away, a bell will ring at slow speeds. And when the speed picks up, the bell stops. That's my dog, Mutt. And now as she comes to a halt, the bell will ring again. Well, it doesn't get much better than that.